As you can see, folks, our tomatoes has failed. We've had some rain, some wind, more rain and more wind since my last update of a garden video here. And as you can see, there's a lot that's just fell down. Peppers has fell down. It's been a wet, windy, messy time since my last video. But they are surviving. They are getting ripe. We're picking oolans and oolans of them. We've had 4 to 5 boxes, more. I mean, we've had maters and maters and maters and maters and cucumbers and cucumbers and cucumbers. And our cucumber patch, the main one's gone. And we have peppers planted in its place. More peppers planted. And it looks like some of our cabbage that we picked and threw the rest of the vines over here has made a volunteer plant and making little Brussels sprouts, looks like, which will be really good. Pretty soon they'll be picked and we'll have some Brussels sprouts. Our late cucumber patch, we've been getting a few out of it. Like I said, our main cucumber patch is gone and we got peppers planted in its place. And these are just now barren and whatnot. We've had a few off of it though. But you can hear the bees doing their thing inside here. Now folks, our watermelon here is growing, but I just don't think it's going to make anything available to us as far as producing anything that's going to ripen before winter gets here. I could be wrong, but last year at this time I think we had a lot of them on the vine. I can't remember, but this year they're growing, but they ain't that many that's produced on a vine. I think we got a couple here. There's one. Very small. This one might. That one right there might make it. I don't know. But yeah, you got a couple watermelons. There's a few of them out here that's already rotted and we had to throw away. There's another one. seen that one. That nest, very small. Of course, we got a few more months before the big frost hits. It's just end of July, whatnot. Look at our hands running up on that line there. Right up on that little bush. Now this is the watermelon that came up voluntarily. Voluntarily. And it's growing good, but no watermelon on it.
I have mixed up at work.
They all look orange this year, ain't red. I don't think they got a dang red maker. It's nowhere. Crazy. God's over. You just like
Thanks, y'all, for watching an exciting episode of the N.D.T. Show. Till we catch you on the next one. Nothing like fried green matter, y'all.